Dear colleagues at Bellagio, I just wanted to welcome you and to say how sorry I am not to be with you, to apologise to you personally. It's a great sadness to me. I've planned this meeting for 2 years now, and I wanted very much to be there above all things. As I've explained to some of you already, I seem to have had for 2 weeks a pneumonia resistant to antibiotic treatment and have been told not to leave England. This is the fourth, in fact, of these workshops that have been held. The first I put on with David Levy in 1997. He'll be with you on Tuesday. And the world has changed enormously in computer and dialogue processing since then. We just put together a team at Sheffield with which he wanted to support the winning of the Loebner competition. And that got me interested in dialogue, and we did win it, and we put on the first of these workshops. For the first, we brought out of retirement as a guest Ken Colby, who some of you are aware of, the creator of Parry at Stanford, and he was an extraordinary man. He came just before he died to Bellagio and was the main invited speaker at the first one. Our motive in the first Bellagio conferences up to 2000 was to try to draw out from industry the work we knew they were doing in dialogue, but was not much published. There was very little published work and interesting academic work in dialogue and conversation processing then. There is now, of course. That's the huge change. But we knew there was quite a lot going on in industry, and all the three previous workshops, Microsoft came and contributed substantially. It's a great pleasure to me that Tim Pack is with us at this workshop, continuing that tradition. They were very successful in reaching that goal of a dialogue between those in industry doing conversation processing and those few in academia who are preferred to them to defend doing it. All that's changed a great deal since then, as you know. Dialogue and conversation processing are up and out of the closet. There are theories about how to do it. There's a lot of practice going on. There's an enormous number of related projects supported by the European Commission and elsewhere. The host project for this meeting is the Companions Project, which I coordinate. And we, of course, we are halfway through a project now to do multimodal dialogue, and we shall be showing you demonstrators during the workshop, as others will too. But the most important feature now, and this is what I just wanted to greet colleagues from other projects, is the consultation aspect of things. To use a word I hate, but a concept that we've all grown to like and appreciate. The consultation, the communication that should go on between supported projects in the same cluster, not just in Europe, but across the Atlantic as well and elsewhere, between research projects in this area. At Bellagio now are represented at least 6 other European projects, apart from Companions, working in the area of multimodal dialogue in various forms. I was so much looking forward to it. I hope you'll all have a wonderful time. Thank you for coming.